I'm Jeffrey Kyle Pearson, and this is Turf Media. In these videos, we discuss the lawn care business, how-tos, tutorials, different lawn cares, tips and tricks, and business facts. Stay tuned. Alright, today we're going to cut this lawn. It's a little high, but it's an every 2 week cut, so it is what it is. Come on, let's take a look. We have a lawn this high. You have to cut it twice. So you got to go one direction and then cut it in another direction. When you start, you want to cut at the highest level possible and then cut down to where you want the grass to be. So this grass right here, this is about, I'd say about 10 inches to a foot. But I'd stay probably with like 5 to probably down to 4, maybe 3.5. But we'll see. This lawn should probably take me about 40 minutes to do. Well, let's get started. Turns out the lawn wasn't as high as I thought it was. So 4.5 was perfect. We just got done having like a massive, nasty heat wave. It was like 98, 105, nasty for like a week and a half straight. It felt like freaking oven out here. We live in a South Jersey area, and dude, it gets hot. I'm gonna cut the lawn horizontal this time, and it'll give a nice, clean, even cut. For those of you wondering why I'm not bagging, it's because these natural clippings right here left over will actually feed the soil all the nutrients it needs. There's water and nitrogen in them clippings. If you use a blower and blow out all the areas that are clumpy and you disperse it correctly, evenly across the lawn, it'll be perfect, just like a regular routine fertilizing feed. If you leave it nasty clumpy, it will kill the grass. Then, after a while, it will come back green, thick, and looking great. But my customers don't want to wait around for clumpy grass to come back looking great. So we're gonna put it out evenly, make it look good, give them a clean, pristine cut. That's what we do. Let's get to work. Alright, we got this lawn done. Not too bad. As some of these lawns, they take a little bit of extra work, you know, but at the end result, it always looks pretty good. If you guys like, leave a comment below about what other videos you'd like me to make. You got it. Please subscribe. I'll have plenty of how-tos, all kinds of stuff about lawn cutting, what to do, what not to do, and business facts. Thanks again, guys, for watching.